wilderness, where every step is a dance with nature. As we tread through the untamed trails, nature's brushstrokes reveal themselves. We ascend towards the crown of the earth. The trail unfolds like a story, each turn a new chapter. The rhythmic sway of leaves, the gentle whispers of the grass beneath our feet, the patterns of leaves, the whispers of the wind, and the silent conversations between mountains. We ascend towards the crown of the earth. This is how we conclude 2023.